Every day, you enter your password without thinking. Email, banking, social media, shopping. It's routine, automatic. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Right before you type your password, there's a small moment where everything can go wrong. And if you miss that moment, you might be giving your entire digital life away. The most dangerous habit online. Let's be honest, you don't read URLs carefully. You don't inspect security icons. You just see a login page and type because it looks normal. That's exactly what attackers rely on. Not hacking systems, not breaking encryption, but waiting for you to trust the wrong screen. The scariest part? Most victims don't realize they've been hacked until it's too late. The fake login trap. Imagine this. You receive an email that says your account needs verification. It looks real. The logo is correct. The colors match perfectly. You click the link. A familiar login page appears. Everything feels normal. So you type your email, then your password. And just like that, it's gone. Not stolen by force, not cracked by code, given away willingly. This is how most modern hacks actually happen, not through technology, through trust. Why this works so well? You might think, I would never fall for that. But attackers don't target stupidity, they target speed. Because when you're in a hurry, your brain switches to autopilot. You stop analyzing, you start reacting, and attackers design everything around that moment. Urgent emails, fake warnings, suspicious activity detected. They don't need you to believe them forever. They just need 10 seconds of your trust. The one detail most people ignore. Now here's the part almost nobody talks about. Before you enter your password, there is one tiny detail that tells you if a website is safe or not. Something small, so small most people ignore it every day. The lock icon, that little symbol in your browser. Most people think it means the website is safe, but that's only half true. Because the lock doesn't mean the website is trustworthy. It means the connection is encrypted, and understanding that difference can save you. What the lock actually means. When you see that lock icon, it means your data is being protected while it travels across the internet. Your password isn't sent as plain text. It's encrypted, scrambled into something unreadable. This protection comes from something called a secure certificate. It creates a private tunnel between you and the website. Without it, anyone on the same network could potentially see what you type. Yes, even your passwords, especially on public Wi-Fi, airports, cafes, hotels, places you trust but shouldn't. When things go wrong. Now here's where it gets dangerous. Attackers don't always break security. Sometimes they remove it. Fake websites often don't have proper protection, or they imitate real sites with small differences you won't notice. A slightly misspelled domain, a missing certificate, a warning you ignore, and in that one moment, you type your password anyway. That's all it takes. No alarms, no explosions, just silence. Until one day, your account is locked, your money is gone, or your identity is being used by someone else. The mindset shift. So here's the mindset shift that can change everything. Before you enter your password, pause just for 2 seconds. Look at the address bar. Check the lock icon. Ask yourself one question. Do I trust where I'm sending this password? That tiny pause can be the difference between safety and regret. Cybersecurity isn't always about complex tools or advanced knowledge. Sometimes it's about awareness, because the biggest attacks today don't break systems, they break habits. And the most powerful defense you have is not software, it's attention. So the next time you're about to log in somewhere, stop, look, and remember, the most dangerous password you'll ever type is the one you enter without thinking.